Using Ori Products. Instructions for how to use Ori Products. Can Ori settings be customized? The location of each room, corresponding to each icon, can be customized to the user's preference. For example, the user can create different sizes for their rooms, adjusting the width of their walk-in closet, bedroom, or living room. These room positions can be adjusted at any time via the Ori app or through the Ori interface. How much power does the Ori Studio Suite use? While moving, the Ori Studio Suite consumes just 90 watts of power with the lights off, which is less than a microwave or flat-screen TV. What happens when the power goes out? In the case of a power outage, Ori products automatically convert to manual mode and can be moved with a physical push. Studio Suite users can easily access the bed manually until power is restored. What does the Ori app do? The Ori app allows a user's phone to function as a digital remote for the Ori, so that they can control it from across the room or across town. It allows the user to activate lock mode, which adds a layer of security by requiring a passcode to open or close Ori products. The app is also the best way to get in immediate contact with the Ori team should you need urgent support. How do I talk to my Ori? You can connect your Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant to the Ori skill using the same login information from the Ori app. Once it's set up, you can give commands like, "Hey Google, ask Ori to create my living room,"